Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into ADP Workforce Now for Talent Strategy detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. Type in the URL for ADP Workforce Now. Press enter on your keyboard. Once the page loads, look for the login button. Click on the login button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your user ID in the designated field. Next, input your password into the password field. Double-check your entries for accuracy. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your user ID and password, click the Sign In button. If your credentials are correct, you will be logged into the system. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various sections available. If you're looking for talent strategy tools, locate the Talent Management tab. Click on this tab to explore available options. Utilize the search bar for specific functions if needed. Ensure all settings are configured to suit your preferences. If you need assistance, find the Help or Support section. Follow any additional prompts to access the resources you need. That's how you log into ADP Workforce Now for effective talent strategy management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.